Can you really make $500 a day with AI? The answer is yes. And in this video, I will show you how to do it with MagicLight AI. If you use my link in the description, you will also get an exclusive 5% discount. First, usually use MagicLight AI to create videos, either long form for YouTube or short form for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. All you need to do is type in a word or topic and the AI generates the full video script, visual, and even the voiceover. So all you have to do is just to go here to the AI video agent, type whatever you have a word or anything you want, and click on generate, and it will generate you a full script for you. Then go to story to video, click on create, enter your script that you had earlier, and choose whatever you want for YouTube or for Reels, and then choose your style, the story. You can have here an example to choose from, and then choose the length. Then next, monetize your content on YouTube. That means add revenue once you're approved. And here's where it gets exciting with Magic Light AI. You can create multiple videos every single day without burning out. The more videos you publish, the more views and income you generate, making 500 a day realistic and achievable. So, if you're ready to start making money with AI, click the link in the description. You will not only get access to Magic Light AI, but also save 5% with my discount. Don't wait. Your $500 a day journey starts today.